Throw Mama the ball. Ryan, throw the ball. Throw it. Good throw. Ready? Catch. Oh! Good catch. Throw the ball. Throw. Yay! Ready? Catch. Oh! Catch. Oh. You gonna throw the ball or eat it? Which one? Throw. Yay! Can you say mama? Say mama. Good job. Can you say dada? Say dada. Ryan. Hey. Hey. You gonna throw? Yay! Good job. Uh-oh. Are you gonna go get that? What happened to the ball?